Alright guys, Justin 9-pound hammer here. We just got done doing an install. Got that duck plucker perfectly tuned. Got her put up. Looking all kinds of beautiful. Guy wired. Done right. Nice bracket systems. All done right. Beautiful 3-point guy system. V5000. Here's my feed. There's my grounding and ground shunt. There's my lightning arrestor network, my ground shunt network. Short run of ground to the mast. 44-foot pole with a V5000. All perfectly done. Guy wire systems. Run all the way down to the ground in 3 points. All the way down to the ground. Nice 3-point system. Nice brackets. That's how we do stuff around here, boys and girls. Anyways. Setting at a 1.18, 1.1, 1.2. So we're looking real good. Beautiful. It's got a nice metal roof for the counterpoise. It's going to make a wonderful station for my partner. Did this for a friend of mine, a good friend of mine that was not able to do it himself. And so I helped the guy out. That's what I enjoy doing. Helping people out, man. Check out that ground network, guys. And that ground network's pretty nice. So it's isolated and ground isolated through the coax into the house, through the lightning arrestor. Also, secondary ground isolated and shunted through the whole carbon pole. Textbook. Talk about a antenna that don't have no noise. Let's go look at it.